Lena, what's here? Woo! There we go. Send.
They moved the truck.
Woo! Yeah, I'm recording this.
This is gonna eat up my space, but who cares?
Yeah, hey, you're in my view.
Sorry.
Bruce, you agree with me? Bruce, do you agree with me? It's gonna eat up the
Yeah.
space, but who cares, right?
Yeah, I know how long I can make my videos on this phone. You know how long?
How long?
About 3 minutes or longer.
I don't know about me. I just got this phone.
Well, you probably have more space on my phone. Happy Independence Day.
Happy 4th of July, people!
Yep. Happy 4th of July. I'm with my cousins watching the fireworks.
Look at it light up the parking lot, you guys.
Yeah, I know.
You guys, watch the parking lot.
Up there's one. Oh my god. Woo.
Dang.
Dang, Daniel.
What's better, you packing or watching this?
Bruce, what's better, packing or watching this?
Watching this, and also it's good recording it too.
Whoa!
Is anybody else's ear hurting right now?
Mine isn't.
Mine on.
Who wants a Pringle?
Oh, not done yet. Whoa!
I know what the grand finale looks like though. The grand finale is where it's just like they shoot fireworks again and again and again and again and again and again.
So rapidly.
And again.
Christmas! We don't want Christmas!
Yeah, we do. We want Christmas.
Bruce, you're not helping.
Here comes Santa, here comes Santa.
Chad, you're not helping either.
Jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle bugs, jingle bugs.
You guys, everybody sing Jingle Bong. Jingle Bombs, Jingle Bombs.
Why am I the only one singing?
My nuts keep falling off.
Stop looking, you pervert!
You can look, but they come out here.
It's weird.
It's magically
It's
delicious. Woo!
Oh yeah, these are awesome.
Oh,
Whoa!
woo! Yeah!
This is awesome. All the colors are so cool.
Yeah.
You agree, guys?
Who thinks they're gonna be deaf in the morning?
Not me.
Oh, Bruce, stand out here.
I am.
Talking mushrooms. Oh, let me on your shoulders.
This is the random gamer doing watching fireworks.
You guys putting this on YouTube?
Yes, I know.
I know. I'm not.
Oh, by the way, guys, if this video just randomly ends, it's because of the space on my phone. I don't know if you can hear me.
Oh, probably not.
Yeah, probably not.
Ah! I would stop it and then start another one. Stop and start another one, quick. Stop
Why?
this one and start another one.
It's
You have 2 points.
No.
Oh!
Yeah, that was awesome.
I'm gonna have like no space at the end of this.
All I do is just put the video on YouTube and
Oh,
delete it. Oh man.
Mom, I'm gonna have like no space.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe.
See you. Anybody else getting tired?
Mine isn't.
Whose ears are almost deaf? Okay, that's not so bad. Ah, I'm gonna die. Oh, those are right over us, Bruce. I don't care.
Yeah. This is so cool, guys.
That's not yet.
I love watching fireworks.
Whoa.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Somebody's went off again. Oh, Bruce is right above us.
Yeah. If that this video randomly stops is because the space of my phone.
You
So
guys, if we catch on fire,
don't know if you heard that message.
Yeah, if the car catches on fire, grab the Pringles and run.
Yes.
You agree with me?
Who cares about everything else in the car?
I know where we can go. Last night I just fly by. You guys, if the car catches on fire, we're gonna shove Travis in.
What? No.
Bruce, you agree? If the car does catch on fire, we got our name.
Yeah.
Spend the night there. Don't really.
Actually, no, they're not. I don't think they're at Saranac Lake anymore, though.
Or we could walk to Hotel Saranac and book.
Yeah, but probably gonna cost a lot of monies.
Oh wait, but we won't have monies. Hopefully.
A lot of moolah.
Oh God.
Oh man. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Oh.
That is scary. Oh my
Whoa.
God. Right over us. You guys have no
Oh
idea
man,
how
that
scary
is.
this is.
Oh my God, this is.
Right over
Oh wow. Yeah.
God. Oh,
Whoa. This is
That
right
looks like
above us. It's
looks
right
like
above us. Oh. Oh, I love that kind of fireworks. Oh, dang. I think this is my longest phone video so far.
Stop and watch for now.
I don't know. I don't know. Wait. I'm gonna go in until the video until.
I'm gonna go blue. Red, white, blue.
Dang! Look at that.
America.
America, boy. America.
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 This is my birthday.
Yeah, boys. Don't know if you'll be able to see me, but oh yeah, boy. I don't know if they saw me. I don't know if you guys saw me when I
Hey,
did
there's
that.
a drone.
but-
Ah,
The
that drone
drone?
shouldn't be getting
Oh,
very
yeah.
close.
Yeah,
Whoa.
there's a little drone. Those
That
red
drone
dots.
should not be getting very close.
Oh, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down.
Okay. I'm not sure if I should go in the car. Be safer standing out here in the car. Bruce, you agree with me?
Well, most likely this is they're being really cautious about this stuff, so I think we'll be fine out here.
Going
And
to the lake, so. No, Philip, they do it over the lake because they want to. Oh God!
oh,
He is just popped. Oh, it sounds like your ears are popping, doesn't it?
kind of.
I know these are both fireworks.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, boys. Yeah.
Work the selfies,
Awesome.
everybody!
Oh yeah.
I think this might be the grand finale.
Yeah, I think so. It might be the grand finale.
Is that what going?
Oh, smiley face. Oh, I just barely
Oh, I
caught
think this is the grand finale, you
Maybe.
guys.
Ah, my shoulder hurts. My shoulder is hurting.
Dakota better not be part of this.
What do you mean?
Dakota has a UFO legend. You know Dakota. Because you remember Dakota.
Dakota Davis?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's got a UFO license. He went to space. Oh, guys, look at vacation. He went to space. Guys, look off your phone. Oh, I'm looking both on my phone and off my phone.
Yeah, me too. Mr. Drone! No, Mr. Drone, don't go out that way! No, no!
Drone!
No! Oh my god!
That's Scooby-Doo!
Oh my god!
Oh god, that drone is gonna get killed, legit.
Oh my gosh!
They're sacrificing the drone! Whoa!
Whoa! Wow! That is so... It's so cool and like... Seeing in person is so cool, guys. What's the only way to show you?
I found a way to... I found out what to do if Saranac Lake's power goes out for 2 days.
What?
Do this. No, somebody goes like... Drone's back. Good idea. Somebody goes like this. Somebody launch a firework. I can't see my big nuggets. Wait. Somebody launch fireworks. I can't see my big nuggets. Thank you. Where's my big bag? I found my big bag. Where's my lunch time?
Oh yeah.
I gotta pee! Nobody
Really? You
knows.
have to say that on camera.
I can probably blur that out. I can't.